I'm actually going to cut this top branch over. You know what? I kind of screwed up. I should have really made it go that way. What I really wanted, I didn't even think about it at the time, was more shade for the car that sits there. But I did kind of shape it over across, but it just doesn't, I don't know. It wasn't the look I guess I really wanted. If you want this thing, it'll be in the description below. Definitely a must have, this DeWalt. The battery. I'm using actually a metal blade because I think it actually cuts it cleaner. It is slower, but that's all right. I don't care. But what I'm going to do this, going to cut it there. Yeah, I think I'm going with this route here because, you know what? It's getting too big. It's kind of looking sloppy. I don't know. Maybe I might cut another branch there and see how it looks. Of course, with a fresh cut, it looks weird, but yeah, I don't know. I gotta kind of do something. And it still looks very odd, actually. It's kind of very Beetlejuice, like a Beetlejuice sort of sculpture or something, but I would like more of it to come over this way. Like I said, I don't know. I may have to even trim it more. Usually what I do is I'll do something like that, leave it, and then I'll come back to it. You know what I mean? There's a lot of stress when you think about it, I guess, on these guys. Wonder if they feel pain. You know what I mean? So that's it. That's what I cut. Hey, a few of these I actually cut too because they were coming out way too much. I was trying to keep them away from this guy and over here. I really do hate this ugly thing too. I'd like to cut it down. But yep, there's always a project. These are kind of coming over too much. May have to trim these back a little bit, just make sure. Because I also want to make sure that they stay up straight. And of course, mostly the sun comes from this way, and that's usually the way they'll gravitate to, even though we got sun this way right now, but it's not as strong come evening time.